The rainy season is the best time to buy a land in Cameroon. Hello and welcome back to this channel. My name is Ategha and I'm a certified real estate consultant and also a realtors coach. In this channel, our goal is to inform and educate you so that you can, number one, make high return on investment in real estate, number two, build wealth, and number three, become financially free. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you or teaching you and showing you how that the rainy season is the best time to buy a land in Cameroon. The first point is that during the rainy season, you can really know how accessible or how good the accessibility of that land is. During the rainy season, you can know whether the road is muddy, whether it is stony, whether it is slippery or not. Secondly, during the rainy season, you can know how good the topography of the property is. You can know whether water stands on it or whether it has a drainage. So always make sure that when you're going for site inspection during the rainy season like this, you check out the accessibility and also check the topography. Now, checking the accessibility and topography is not the only thing you should do. After that, always make sure that you also check the documentation. Make sure that the real estate company that is also selling to you is a genuine real estate company that has integrity. When I say have integrity, I mean that you should make sure that it's a company that does what they say they will do. Make sure that their CEO has a public presence. You can go online and search that who is a CEO and founder of this real estate company. They show you the person so that you can be able to track, because you don't want to take your hard-earned money and invest with people who don't exist. All right, now after checking the documentation, making sure that the real estate company is legit and has integrity, the last thing you make sure you do is that you follow up with your documents after purchase, because that is the actual proof that you own that particular property after buying it. So if you are a Cameroonian abroad, you are a high net worth individual, or you are a politician out of the country, or you're a foreigner and you've been looking to invest your hard-earned money in the city of Boya, southwest region of Cameroon, and you've been afraid you don't have people or a team that can hold you by the hand to help you purchase or invest your hard-earned money in the best real estate deals, look no further, because my team and I are here for you. You know what to do. The numbers are on the screen and in the description of this video. You can call us or send us a message on WhatsApp to book for a free consultation, or so that we get on the call, we discuss your budget and look at the best land banking deals that can fit your budget. I remain your favorite real estate consultant, Ategha, here in the city of Boya, southwest region of Cameroon. In the meantime, enjoy yourself and have a great day.